Good afternoon. Welcome to daily currency update from the currency desk. Yesterday, for the trading session, we did not witness much movement throughout the day, except for the last 1 hour, wherein we saw the Indian rupee weaken against the US dollar, and finally we had around 20-30 paise movement in the final 1 hour itself. So, contrary to this, today in the morning session, we had the Indian rupee open much stronger. That is a gap down for the US dollar at 55.40 spot. This was mainly tracking the low rate of USD index and also a strong euro against the US dollar. For the first time since around a month, we have witnessed the US dollar index cross below 81 levels. Also, at the same time, the gains were restricted because we had the Moody's downgrade the outlook of European economy, that is the euro area, to negative. So we might witness a ratings downgrade as well in the near future. Now, the very fact that the USD index is trading around 81 levels, we might witness some support for the Indian rupee, but at the same time, as the US markets were closed yesterday, there might be some strong movement today in the markets. On the European front, we can see that all the investors, like the central banks, are continuing to keep a wait and watch attitude. So, as the central banks are not coming out with any major moves or measures, similarly the investors are not taking any major views or trading any major amounts for the time being. In US dollar, we recommend a buy near the current first support, that is 55 at 55.34, and on the upside we can well target 55.88 in the spot. Also, yesterday we had a surprise UK manufacturing data which came in much better than expected. So this gave in a lot of support to the GBP against the USD as well as against the Indian rupee. We witnessed a 40 paise rally in the pound against the Indian rupee. Today again, after giving a slight gap down, the pound has again rallied against the Indian rupee. So we can, above current levels of 88.35, we can see a strong buy trend developing. So one can hold their buy positions right now with a strict stop loss at 88.35. Also, from the trading point of view, largely throughout the day for the euro and the pound as well, all the investors around the world all the traders also would be eyeing the bond yields of Spain and Italy. So if there is any major rise in the bond yields, then again we would witness euro and pound fall drastically against the USD. Right now the euro against the USD is holding steady at 1.2620 levels. So until there is no major movement in that area, we will not witness any major depreciation in the Indian rupee. Also, markets are still waiting for the ECB policy announcement this Thursday, wherein some measures are expected from the ECB. Today we have the UK PMI, construction PMI data, which would be watched by the markets. Also, from the China front, we had slightly negative data yesterday, that is the Chinese HSBC flash manufacturing PMI, which fell down surprisingly. So all in all, the scenario does look a bit mixed. Until there are any major triggers on the markets, we will not expect any major movement. In terms of euro, there is a bearish trend that is developing. One can sell below 69.63 levels, keeping a stop loss of 70.02 in the spot. Also in terms of pound, since it has given a breakout as said earlier, we can well keep a buy at current levels with a stop loss of 87.86 in the spot. Also, today the data that one can keep a watch for is also the US ISM PMI data, which would be coming out after a market's close, but still they'll play a crucial role on the USD index and in turn the US dollar rate tomorrow morning. In terms of yen, the current trend is bearish and we would strongly recommend a sell below 71.01 levels in the spot. One can also keep a stop loss of the same, that is 71.01 in the spot levels. Thank you.